Yeah, what's going on? So today we got another video by Bodycam Files. Police weren't expecting her to do this. That is what the video is titled. So let's get into it, man. We don't want to hold you up too much longer.
Let me see your hands. Hands out the window.
I got a kid in here. Be careful. I have a kid in the back seat. No, don't grab me. Don't grab me. Don't grab. What are you grabbing me for? What are you grabbing me for? What are you recording?
Okay. I'm trying to.
Don't grab me. Don't grab me. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. Do not grab me. Do not grab me. I'm gonna give you my driver right here.
Okay. I'm recording too.
Them people threw that shit at my car. I have no problem giving my license. I promise. I have no problem.
Well, you saw the blue lights, right?
I did, yeah.
Okay.
That's why I pulled over right here. No, I pulled over right here. I got off on the interstate.
You accelerated trying to get away from it.
No, I did not. I pulled over.
Camera.
Okay. I'm not hiding from you. I just got out of jail. I'm not hiding from nobody.
I didn't say you were hiding.
Okay.
But it damn sure looked like you were trying to evade. Is this your vehicle?
Yep. This is my grandma's.
What's this?
That's my medical, just in case.
Is there any in the car?
No.
Well, then I'm not worried about it.
Okay.
Who do you got with you?
My son and my boyfriend.
Okay. And
Christian, get out and step out. Step out.
No.
Hands up. Hands up. Step out, sir.
No, I want you to stay in the car. Do you have ID with you?
I got his ID right here. I got your ID. I got his ID right here. I got it.
Okay.
I got it.
You got your ID? Or
I
you
got
don't?
his ID right here.
She's got it? Okay. What's going on?
Damn people threw 2 fucking sodas at my car.
Where?
On the interstate, bro. And they cut me off. They almost made me crash. They were doing the fucking most. I did not do nothing to.
Where are you going to?
Alabama.
Where?
Alabama.
We're at
Ozark.
Alabama. Ozark? Where are you coming from?
Florida.
We're at Florida.
There.
From your home?
Yes.
Okay.
I just got out of jail. We going to Alabama. That's it.
Where at did they throw the bottles?
I'm not good with mileage and shit. It had to be about 5-10 miles back. They were throwing shit. They were flicking me off. Do you have the videos of them bitches flicking me off and doing all that extra shit? They were doing so. Bro, please. Because I refuse to go to jail over some shit. They started throwing shit at my car first. Can you please? Step in here. Do you see all this? This is all from them. And then up here.
Hold on.
Sir,
What is it?
All this shit. It was all wet from here. Eliza.
It's what? It's wet?
Yes. Do you see the lines? Do you see these lines? That's all from them throwing something in my car. Hit my shit. I have a 6-year-old in
water in the car. It fucking hit the kid. It fucking hit the window. It hit
I
her.
have
It
my
almost
son
made
in
her crash us.
He's in it.
Alright, tell you what.
I just have to
stand
speak.
right
Can I just piss?
Not right now, no.
Can I piss there?
If you'll stand right
Okay.
there. Okay, what happened?
When we were driving, there was this other car, new reversion car. Looked like it had a new tag on it. You're okay if I record this, right?
I'm recording.
Okay, we're all recording. Yeah. So we're driving. That car comes past us. They try to cut us off. We slow down a little bit. They come around. They roll their window down and they threw a bottle of water through the car. And it went. They hit the kid, and then it hit inside the car. And we were just trying to get.
She saw my lights. I was trying to catch up. She passed me. She was riding that other vehicle. Be quiet. I was trying to catch up. She was trying to get away. She was weaving in and out of cars, trying to get away.
I gotta pee. I have to pee.
Do you have anything illegal on you?
I don't. You can check me.
No, stop.
Okay, I'm just telling you. I don't have nothing. I just have to pee.
Did she go to the restroom?
Can I piss, please? Or I can pee here and you can watch me. I don't care.
I don't want to watch that.
Well, hey.
All right, what's going on?
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're going to get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members-only content. You would click on join, check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis, you're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shout-outs, right? I will shout you out on the video. And members-only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
She just came up behind me. I was passing an 18-wheeler, and she just came up behind me, and I noticed she swerved and almost hit my car, so I sped up a little bit to get away from her. And I got over to the right lane.
Come on now, what kind of footage is this?
I noticed she started swerving more out of the cars. I'm like, okay, she's probably on something. And when she got closer to me, I'm like, yeah, I'm not dealing with this. So I kind of try to get away from her because I have a almost 2-year-old daughter. I don't want to risk her life or anything. So I tried to get away from her, and she started following me. And then they started throwing something at me. I couldn't see it for sure.
It feels like they first hit their water bottle, and the second day they feel like some like round object at us. And then there's multiple times where she tried to lure by like the bars are, where the ramps are. Guardrails. She almost ran us up in that.
She had to like. This would be the lane, and then she would be right here. Like and I had no choice to get into the breakdown lane or really close to the guardrail, and then the hard brake. And they were blowing kisses at us.
Yeah, she was just like.
I don't know what they were on.
She was just laughing the whole time, and the guy was just encouraging her.
And I'm pretty sure he was recording too.
Yeah.
And he was recording. Okay. All right. If you guys will hang tight, okay?
Am I being entertained or can I go?
No, you can't go.
Huh?
Come here.
Am I being entertained?
Yeah, you're being detained.
For what? For what?
Because I'm investigating something.
Investigating? Okay, tell me what's going on, and then you can detain me.
You know what's going on.
I know the laws, and I know you can't detain me without a probable cause. So what is it?
What is the probable
They
cause?
threw their shit at me, and I got the pictures and videos.
Go wait at the vehicle.
Go. I'll show you. Come on, let's go. I'll show you where.
I'll be out there in just a minute.
Okay.
How do you know we're not finding out if they are the violators and we're trying to find out what to do? That's what you're jumping to conclusions. Let us do our investigation.
You are treating me like I'm the victim.
You're not.
You're treating me like I'm the problem here.
No, you're the victim.
Was he not? Was he not treating me like I'm the fucking problem? I got my son in the back seat, 6 years old. What the fuck is wrong with you now? They lucky days. Yeah, who's my kid in the back seat?
He's asking.
Oh man, this is just straight trash. Straight trash, man. She ain't got no shoes on. She cussing in front of the kids and all type. Come on, man. Come on now. I don't get it, bruh.
Them questions.
I will ask them questions myself.
If they instigated it, who's the victim?
They ain't gonna tell you they instigated it. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Hello? How long have you been a cop?
25 years.
All right, so are they gonna tell you they instigated it or not? Are they or not?
You don't know that.
No, they ain't. You fucking dumb.
Okay.
You say you've been 25 years with a cop. You a fucking idiot. Am I being detained or not?
You're not free to go. You're not free to go.
Am I being detained?
He is detaining you. You're not free to go.
Am I being detained?
Yes, you are.
Okay.
He's conducting an investigation. No, you're not under him. Oh, here he comes. Get out of the road.
Sweetheart.
Get over here.
You better let me go.
Here he comes, right here, to let you go.
Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. That's what I thought.
Don't pull off.
Good night.
He's conducting the investigation.
Can you step out of the vehicle? Let me talk to you.
For what?
For what?
You don't even know his no.
You're gonna talk to him.
No.
Because I wanted to talk to you away from her so that we can talk.
No.
Listen, I told you what happened already, and that's what happened.
He's
You're not
stepping out
under
of the vehicle. He don't have to step out of the vehicle to tell you.
Look, and the dude condones this. You could tell he condones her behavior, bruh. Trailer park trash, man. That's what that is, man. Listen, bruh, if you can't control your woman, bro, there's a problem. You as the man is supposed to be able to control your woman, bro. Like, you supposed to be able to tell her, listen, calm down. I got it. Boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? She's just loud, yelling, obnoxious. And all of this is in front of the child. That's the crazy part. That's really the crazy part. And you could tell she runs the show and he condones this behavior.
No, bro.
Sit down.
Bree, I swear to God, I'm gonna snap on these niggas. He does not need to step out of the vehicle to tell you
Would
what.
you shut up?
No, the fuck I won't. No, I won't.
I just need to talk to you.
No. That ain't
So
no
that
talking
way I
to
can
you.
talk to you.
No, he's gonna tell you the same thing I
There's
told you.
I don't
gonna tell you
understand.
the
We
same-
all have the same story, so what's the difference?
Listen, can I get your ID, your name, and your badge number, please? You're ugly as fuck.
Yeah.
Ooh, you uglier than a bitch. Okay, finish, please.
No.
Am I being detained?
Yes, you're being detained.
For what?
You know what?
No, I don't. So please tell me, because if not, I'm pulling off. Please tell me.
You're not.
What am
If
I
you pull
being
off, you're going to jail.
What am I being detained for? Please tell me.
For flaming and looting.
Fleeing and looting what?
Yeah.
No, you can't touch my phone.
I'm not.
Fleeing and eluding what?
Would you step outside
No,
and
no,
talk
no,
to
no,
you?
no, no, no.
Her. I'm trying to avoid taking anybody to jail.
Good night. Please move your hand off my shit. Please move your hand off my shit. This ain't your car. Just move your hand.
Ma'am, you're
This ain't your
you're
shit.
about to go to jail.
You're about to. Please move your hand off my shit. I am not being detained. Good
863.
night. Good night. Am I being detained? Am I being
You have Jackson
detained?
County in
Am I being detained?
Yes, I've told you that.
For what?
You're being
I have
detained.
yet to be told what for.
You'll find out here in just
Oh my God. She keeps saying the same thing, bruh. Am I being detained? Am I being detained? Like, are you expecting him to say a different answer? He already answered your question already. He said yes, and for fleeing and eluding. He already said that. Like, damn. Yo, the dude is supposed to tell her to shut the hell up, bruh.
No, tell me now. I'm gonna call 911.
call 911.
I'm going to. You ain't got any charge to hold me on.
Do I have a right to?
Nope, nope. Eight, 6, 3.
Wait, hold on.
Get on the ground.
Hold on. Hold on. I got you. I know y'all probably like, yo, why you blocking the? Yo, hold on. I got you. Listen, I got you. Hold up. I got you, bruh. I got you.
8, 6, 3. Get on the ground.
Fuck you. My kid in the car. Elijah, get out. You a pussy with my kid in the car. You a pussy. Are you mad? You like my ass, huh? That bitch fat. That bitch is fat. You like it, huh? Pictures and videos if you want to buy them. That's what I thought. He's gone. He ran out. Good luck finding him. Can I call somebody for my son? He's gone. That's gone, boy. He's gone. Good luck. Get my phone out of the front and send him to me. Don't worry about these cops. Send me my phone now.
Run across the cow field to the 10-20.
Places.
That shit hurts. Y'all still have not found this motherfucker. I'm about to go back there and help you find him so you can let me go. He does not have kids. This is not fair. I have 2 children to be home to, bro. He has nothing. I don't just run. I've never ran from police.
Okay, so let's see what we got here. Felony, fleeing, and eluding. Whoa. First of all, isn't that crazy to act like that in front of your kid, to show your behind in front of your kid? Like, isn't that insane? That's insane to me. But anyway, we got the charges here, man. Fleeing and eluding, felony cruelty towards child, felony battery on officer, felony obstruction without violence, misdemeanor. Wow. Trailer park trash.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.